Hello, my name is Liam, and I am going to be drawing a picture. Okay, so we create a new canvas. We also have to, do the rough sketch, lower it, and now start sketching. Anyways, I'm going to start off with the hair. The rough sketch you don't have to care about. You can literally just delete. You can go onto a new layer and then just outline it there and then delete the rough sketch layer so that the rough sketch marks that you didn't fill in aren't there anymore. Okay, now onto the eyes. Your eyes can be whatever color you want and whatever shape. I choose cube. I always do this. Okay, and then you can do a neck, or they won't have a neck, whatever you want. I just wanted 3 fingers. Don't ask me why. Now for the pants. Oh! Dropped the pencil. Then you do his feet and legs. And now all we need is the other arm, and then we're done with the rough sketch. The rough sketch is over. Now you go into the reveal drawing. Okay, change out of your rough sketch brush. Remember that you're still in your rough sketch brush. Okay, and then you wanna create a new layer and draw on that layer. See, I'm going completely off of the rough sketch. Since I'm on another layer, it just shows up as the real drawing. The rough sketch does not exist on this page. That's the best about new new I don't remember what they're called. Okay. This is basically just you drawing the rough sketch, but it's the real thing. Coloring is pretty easy when you have a paint bucket. Most of the time, because of how bad this thing's paint bucket is, I mostly end up just using a brush to color everything in. Sorry if this is sloppy, it's just hard to draw with a big brush in such a tight area. I draw on paper much better. Wait, CM for Tiny Menace. Anyways, now on to the coloring stage. It can be any skin color you want, even a made up skin color like orange. See what I mean? I usually just do that to color in my drawings. There are a lot, and I mean a lot of things you need to do when you draw. The most important thing to do is have fun. I'm gonna have to cover up the TM. Oh, redraw it in a little bit. Not purple, blue. Blue. It's my favorite color for pants. It and red go together so goodly. Anyways, I just need the color of his eyes. They shading, and we'll be done here. Ready? Let's go. Don't ask what that is in the background. Tone down all of that. Oh, come on, this gun. I hate this. Because if it's the exact same color, then it'll just go through and then ruin your whole drawing. Then, when you have it thicker, then it completely works fine sometimes, and then you just are free to go. I don't do shading that often, so I'm not that good at it. They'll blame me. Blame my lack of shading. And that's it. Anyways, I'd like to promote Tiny Menace Apparel.com. You can buy. We're on TikTok. We're on YouTube. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. You can visit our clothes shop at tinymenaceapparel.com. Anyways, that's the video. See ya. Bye.